Hi, this is Valerie Hansen. I want to let you know about an experience that I and my husband have had with Novatio Orthopaedics and Dr. Manning. We've both had severe knee pain, my husband especially. My husband couldn't sit very long, stand very long, walk very far, and our quality of life had diminished. Our first initial visit was incredible. He took so much time with both of us to explain exactly what was happening with our knees. We went to see him and had a procedure done. I cried watching my husband be able to walk down the hallway without a limp, not shuffling his feet, actually could pick up his feet, which I haven't seen in years. I feel like it's a miracle. It's something that I have been looking for my husband and I for years, and I suggest that you see Dr. Manning and Novatio Orthopaedics today.
Call Novatio 435-688-1152 or visit NovatioOrtho.com.